vlog. Ano pangalan niya, kuya?
Ibanez po, Jepoy po.
Jeff. Si Jepoy. Tsaka si
Ray Allen po.
Ray Allen. Ito, mga bagong player natin dito sa USBC.
Hello po.
Picture tayo, picture. Tara. Mga taga Paranaque. Ayan, mga kasama ko, mga taga Paranaque. Sige pa. Mga batang bowler po sila?
Practice pa lang po.
Nagpa-practice pa lang. Oh, galingan nyo, ha?
Dito ka
Picture kayo, picture tayo. Tara, dito ka sa kabila.
Please throw your last practice ball.
USBC Saturday. Nakain tayong gulay.
Last practice.
This is my best friend in Santa Lucia. This is our luck already when we won.
Lucky charm.
So, what we did already? 1, 2, 3, then 4!
Yay!
Not Patrick. Patrick Gatlak.
Nawala na ako.
Second place with 207, Patrick Eusebio. And first place with 216, Billy Roy Mali. And for group 1, second place with 200. 298, Aquilino Alfarsi.
Magre-return na ako.
Video yan.
Waiting na lang mga ka-ballers kung makakalusot. Wala, kailangan ko lang double sa dulo, 175 lang. Wala, kailangan dito mga 180 pataas lagi. So, let's see. At least nakapanalo ng pot. Game 1, then game 3, nakapanalo din. Game 2 ang baba. So, let's see. How many pins? Only 3 pins?
2 pins.
2 pins? I want 2 pins. To Aki. Tama ba English ko?
Handicap.
Ano?
Handicap. Too much
I want.
Patrick, too much handicap. He's 26 and I am
Also 20.
26.
We're the same. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see later.
But for me, next time.
Next time you're always a champion eh, ha?
Next time. I have to say a reason. My hand is pain. I am sick. My wife beside me. So many things.
Diba? Okay, it's okay.
That's okay.
We will play in better next time.
Yeah. Next time. I need
you.
coach. You know who's the one should be coach me? Erlenda.
Hi, Linda! Hi! Adonis, hi! Thank you.
Thank you.
Wala, unfortunately. Ano dito? 7 pala, may mga mataas. 7. Number 7 tayo, hindi pala number 5. Unofficial count. Aki is wrong. Unofficial count is wrong. Pero okay lang, ang important, enjoy naman tayo dito. And syempre may mga ibang players na may mga mataas din doon sa dulo. Kaya sobrang dami na naglalaro ngayon dito sa USBC kaya nakakatuwa. So ganun talaga ang bowling, hindi laging panalo talaga. So di bawi na lang sa susunod. Ang importante nag-enjoy and nanalo tayo sa pot. Yun na lang yung pampalubag-loob natin.
Because I didn't count the other ones.
It's okay. I'm number 7.
And I'm number 8.
Number 8 please.
I'm number 9.
Let's goodbye. To the vlog.
Say bye-bye to the vlog. Bye.
Bye to the
No.
vlog.
I will not accept your fight.
See you
Monday?
Monday, yeah.
I leave my stuff here.
See you
Because
on Monday,
Monday,
Aki.
then Wednesday,